Welcome to the beautiful country of Mexico. I will be doing a 3-part series on my baby moon trip to Cancun, Mexico. I will explore Hyatt Zilara, an adults-only all-inclusive resort located in the popular Cancun, Mexico area. So stay tuned. We arrived at the Cancun International Airport in Mexico. We then had transportation pickup that was arranged for us through hotel services. Cancun is a popular city in the Mexican state of Quintana Roo, located in southeast Mexico on the northeast coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. The island is known for its abundance of white sandy beaches, palm groves, and coral reefs. The island is so beautiful with its skyscraper hotels and sprawling resorts that lines the coastal area of Cancun City. We arrived at Hyatt Zilara, an adults-only, all-inclusive resort located on the coastal area of Cancun, Mexico. This hotel is where you can definitely experience traditional Mexican warmth in an intimate setting on the Caribbean Sea. The hotel is gorgeous with its checkered style huge lobby area with the sun just piercing through from the outside. There is also a bar right off the lobby area where you can definitely get your first drink of the day going. I will give you a more in-depth tour of the pool and beach area in part 2, so do subscribe to be notified of that episode when it's released. There's also a cafe as well to get all the pastries that you need. As you can see, there's also access to shops, excursion sites, and so much more right off the lobby area. Look how beautiful the outdoor garden is. There's also more restaurants in this area as well. Now, let's show you what the room looks like. Oh my goodness, the room is amazingly beautiful. Starting from the front entrance, you have the huge bathroom with separate vanity areas. You have a nice closet with bathrobes and slippers. Then there is a stocked refrigerator full of your favorite beverages and also some snacks. Also, look at the huge king-size bed and the double-jetted tub that's placed right where you can see the gorgeous view of the pool and beach area. Now that's amazing. Next up, let me show you the gym area before we head to the restaurant to have lunch. The Sky Gym is so nice, as you can see. There's so much state-of-the-art gym equipment to keep you fit while on vacation. Let's head out to lunch at Spice Restaurant, where they offer a buffet menu with everything that you can think of. Here's another look at the massive lobby before we head back to the room to relax until dinner time. For dinner, we decided to dine at Asiana, which offers contemporary gourmet Asian cuisine with a teppanyaki cooking show. We decided to just have a sit-down dinner and enjoy some soups, appetizers, and sushi that's served on the top floor. After dinner, we decided to enjoy the world-class nightly entertainment. There was a variety of music, singing, and dance. Then, to end the night, we hung out with the Stilts Walker LED robot, which was ridiculously cool. Definitely check out the nightly entertainment. Our final stop for the night was to Time Out Bar, where we hung out and danced the night away silent disco style. this ends part 1 of our 3-part series of our trip to Cancun, Mexico. In part 2, I will tour you around the pool and beach area, show you more restaurants, and also a chef's plate special dining experience. So don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2 and for more travel content with our family. I hope that this channel will inspire and encourage you to take more family adventures. Until next time, one love.